drink?
No, maybe a show will happen first week.
Okay.
Yeah. Please.
So, welcome to Doms Miramare. We are standing now in the olive lobby tree. Doms Miramare used to be the official retreat of Onassis family when it was first rebuilt in 1960, and then 2 years later it has been extended to a resort to the Miramare beach as far back the days. Hello. All the way in front of us we do have the blue bar. The blue bar is opening in the evening times. It is here where actually the events back then of the days from the last family, hosting Maria Carlos, the Onassis, a lot of political members also have joined our bar. The bar is trying to remain in the same style, maintenance works. And as a luxury collection, and as we are the destination authority, we have placed this inspired from the church Saint Spirit. On the other side, we have also different the collection of the Azulite book, which we are also proud of those. You will find the Azulite collection in most of the Doms resorts. And all of the pieces of art that you are seeing here are part of the exhibition that is happening throughout the season in our resort. And actually the guests can buy these pieces of art. We can also connect the guest with the artist that has created each piece. On the right we do have the reception area dedicated to sketch days in a separate area next to the reception. And in the middle we host the olive trees actually has been here before the hotel and have been the resort around these trees. This tree is actually the oldest one, counting 400 to 500 years old. The check-in process takes part here. Into the olive lobby tree. We see to the right our main restaurant with the name 1962, which is the year that first really operated as a resort. And on the left we do have the Infinity Beach pool.
You've been there.
We are going to see some rooms also on the other side. This is our main restaurant. 1962 is here where the breakfast is being served on the buffet style, and the restaurant is also working for lunch and dinner.
Private beach.
Yes, this is our private beach. And on the other side we do have the Verde pool bar. On this side we have the Nima resort clothes. And right above we do have the row bar. We are going there. So the Verde pool bar is offering snacks and drinks both beach and pool area. In this area we have 113 rooms.
Before road.
Yeah.
And after?
And after the road on the way up we do have 69 brand new space.
When it's a new use will be open?
It's going to be launched on the 1st of July.
2023.
Sorry?
2023.
Yeah. This year. In the next month. This is our old trees here. They been here since 2 to 400 years. So we didn't broke actually the trees here. The trees were existing already, and we have just built the resort around this olive grove.
Kalispera, good afternoon.
The resort also owns its private yachts. Normally we park there, as the moment he's on a private trip. What makes this resort really unique is the proximity to the beach area. How close the rooms are to the beach. In this area we arrange some yoga session, pilates and etc. And if we go all the way straight, we have in the very end the water sports, and there is also an outdoor gym.
So, what is next?
I just wanted to show you the
Gym.
gym area, and then we'll go back to the main reception, and we are going to see also one of the pavilions